how to unsubscribe to TripAdvisor emails. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, are you annoyed from too many notifications and emails from TripAdvisor? Then I'll show you how to stop it. Let's dive right in. Open up a TripAdvisor. On the home page, tap on the bell icon in the top right, and then something like this will open up. You need to go to the three dots that is below. So tap on it and then go to settings. You need to wait for a while, and then you can see that if the mails are subscribed, then you need to tap to unsubscribe. So you can see now the blue has been shifted to unsubscribed. So that's how you unsubscribe to emails. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.